Hello there. I think I should get myself a new PC. How about I visit the local market?
A few moments later.
So many problems. Wish I could get a better solution.
Don't worry, Kryptronix Gaming has got you covered. We Kryptronix Gaming can help you with your new custom-built PC. We are reliable, trustworthy, and have won the hearts of many clients by delivering excellent guidance and support. Here are some ways you can reach out to us for a custom-built PC.
Hi guys, this is Divyansh from Kryptronix Gaming. We at Kryptronix are insanely passionate about gaming, PC building. Be it your budget, be it your requirement, we can build any PC you like. Basically at Kryptronix Gaming, we build solution and not just PCs, right? So even if you want a PC for gaming, you want a PC for video editing, for 3D modeling, for any, you know what, I'll let you know the process of how you can build a PC from Kryptronix Gaming. So check it out. So let's say you are on a website. There are a couple of ways of how you can build a PC from Kryptronix Gaming. The first one is the pre-built PCs, where you will find different types of PCs in different ranges and different requirements. There are some like Zyphos series, there one Gladius series, there's one Sparta series. If you like one of the builds, you can directly click on it. You can see the price, you can see the configuration of what you like. Then you can select add to cart and you can select the peripherals as well. Let's say if you choose keyboard or mouse in this combo, you can then directly go to the subtotal price where you will see the shipping that is included, where you see the subtotal of what the products you have chosen. The next method is the custom rig method, where you can choose each and every component of your PC on your own. You can choose the cabinet, you can choose the processor. Accordingly, you can go for motherboard. The motherboard and the processor already managed so that you can make no mistake when you're building a PC. You can choose a graphic card, then PSU, then you can choose your storage. You can choose two types of storage, then you can go for RAM as well, and cooler. And if you want to have Wi-Fi in your system, you can choose that as well. And again, you can click the add to cart button. You can definitely go for proceed to checkout. After you have clicked the proceed to checkout button, you have to fill the billing details and the shipping address and everything, and you can check each of the components that you have chosen and the final total price. You can also choose our AMC, which is for 4 years, and you can definitely choose that for your on-site support. So once you have reviewed all the parts and the price, you will come to this screen where you can pay through a couple of ways. You can pay through card, you can pay through net banking, you can pay through EMI, and you can pay through pay later as well. There is another method you can pay through, which is the bank transfer, which is easier for you and us as well. After the payment is done and you have received your order confirmation, you will receive a photo from us where you will see all the components that you have chosen to make sure that what you have chosen and what we are providing is the same. After that, we go to the build process. We make our builds with utmost precision and world-class cable management. After your PC is built, the PC goes through a series of tests, which includes 3D mark, Cinebench, Furmark, and heavy load. We do some rigorous testing for 24 to 48 hours so that your PC doesn't make any problem afterwards. After the rigorous testing, we do some real-time testing as well, which includes playing some games like CSGO and Call of Duty to make sure your PC doesn't perform bad on these games as well. We do some video editing and some 3D modeling as well to make sure that the PC is performing well under heavy load. And lastly, the PC is packed with 5 layers of packaging to make sure nothing happens to the PC at all. And you can expect to receive your PC in 3 to 4 days. So that's how you build a PC from Kryptronix Gaming. If you found this video informative and helpful, drop a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Kryptronix Gaming for more such content. Thank you.